Introducing the 2010 Dodge Journey. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and more. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.